Anatomy and physiology of reproductive system and the fetus. Number 1. Fructose in semen is produced from prostate gland, bulbourethral gland, testis, seminal vesicle. The correct answer is A. Prostate gland. Number 2. The hind milk is rich in fat and energy, vitamin and minerals, protein and energy, fat and vitamins. The correct answer is A. Fat and energy. Number 3. The biochemical and organic compound present in amniotic fluid are all except urea and creatinine, protein, lipid and glucose, ammonia. The correct answer is D. Ammonia. Number 4. The portion of placenta overlying the blastocyst, decidua capsularis, decidua basalis, decidua vera, decidua parietalis. The correct answer is A. Decidua capsularis. Number 5. Epimenorrhea is absence of menstrual cycle in a female during reproductive period, cyclic bleeding in which cyclic is reduced to 21 days or less, menstrual bleeding is scanty and lasts for less than 2 days, irregular acyclic bleeding from the uterus. The correct answer is cyclic bleeding in which cyclic is reduced to 21 days or less. Number 5. The cardinal function of decidua is maintenance of pregnancy, production of hormone, immune response, none of the above. The correct answer is A. Maintenance of pregnancy. Number 6. Vaginal pH during pregnancy is fluctuating, acidic, basic, neutral. The correct answer is B. Acidic. Number 7. The largest cell in the human body is myelin cell, glial cell, osteocyte, ovum. The largest cell in the human body is ovum. Number 8. Ovulation occurs soon after the formation of dash, primary oocyte, primary spermatozoa, secondary spermatozoa, secondary oocytes. The correct answer is D. Secondary oocytes. Number 9. Fetus form blastocyte, centrophoblast, morula, inner cell mass. The correct answer is inner cell mass. Number 10. Delay menopause is menopause failed to occur beyond 60 years of age, menopause failed to occur beyond 55 years of age, menopause failed to occur beyond 45 years of age, menopause failed to occur beyond 50 years of age. The delay menopause is the correct answer B. Menopause failed to occur beyond 55 years of age. Number 11. Time duration for maturation of spermatogonia to mature spermatozoa. 280 days, 61 days, 28 days, 14 days. The correct answer is B. 61 days. Menorrhagia is caused by fibroid uterus, dysfunctional uterine bleeding, adenomasis, all the above. All the above. The menorrhagia is caused by fibroid uterus, dysfunctional uterine bleeding, adenomyosis. Number 13. Hormone responsible for hyperemesis gravidarum is progesterone, human chronic gonadotrophin, relaxin, human placental lactogen. The correct answer is human chronic gonadotrophin. Number 14. At what week embryo can be different as human? 2nd week, 6th week, 8th week, 4th week. The correct answer is 8th week. Number 15. In vitro fertilization, fertilized ovum transported into the uterine cavity at 4 to 8 cell stage, 1 to 2 cell stage, 16 to 24 cell stage, 2 to 4 cell stage. The correct answer is 4 to 8 cell stage. Number 16. Which among the following is present in male with hypospadias? Sperm count will decrease, unable to produce healthy sperm, unable to deposit sperm high in vagina, hematuria. The correct answer is unable to deposit sperms high in vagina. Number 17. Number of chromosomes in secondary oocytes or secondary spermatocytes contains 22, 23, 44, 46. The correct answer is 23. The first evidence of pubertal development in female is usually manifest as appearance of axillary and pubic hair, appearance of breast boobs, onset of menarche, onset of growth spot. The correct answer is appearance of breast boob. The portion of the placenta overlying the blastocysts, decidua basalis, deciduous vera, deciduous parieteralis, decidua capsularis. The correct answer is D, decidua capsularis. Number 20. Amenorrhea is irregular acyclic bleeding from the uterus. Menstrual bleeding is scanty and lasts for less than 2 days. Absence of menstrual cycle in a female during reproductive period. Cyclic bleeding in which cycle is reduced to 21 days or less. The correct answer is C, absence of menstrual cycle in a female during reproductive period. Number 21. The structure that provide a pad of fatty tissue for the external female genitalia is perineum, labia minora and majora, vulva, mons pubis. The correct answer is D, mons pubis. Number 22. Site of fertilization in female reproductive system is ovary, fallopian tube, uterus, cervix. Fallopian tube. The site of fertilization in female reproductive system is fallopian tube. Number 23. Complication of hysteroscopy include infections, hemorrhage, uterine perforation, all of the above. All of the above is the correct answer. Number 24. Ovulatory function is stimulated by gland. Pineal gland, adrenal gland, parathyroid, pituitary gland. The correct answer is pituitary gland. Number 25. Corpus luteum is found in placenta, uterus, ovary, fetus. The correct answer is ovary. Corpus luteum is found in ovary. Thank you for watching.